Tensions are rising for the Ahmadiyya Muslim community in Chakno, TONP, District Rahim Yarkhan. Extremist clerics from Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan, or TLP, issued a deadline to authorities. They demanded the removal of minarets from the local Ahmadiyya mosque by the 23rd of February 2025. They threatened to take matters into their own hands if their demands were not met. Throughout this time, police and district officials remained in contact with Ahmadiyya representatives. They assured them that no harm would come to their mosque. However, on the night of the 22nd of February, the situation escalated. Authorities warned that a large TLP-led mob had gathered. The mob was determined to take action by morning. To prevent violence, police decided to intervene themselves. At around 11 p.m., a heavy police contingent arrived at the site. They forcibly removed the minarets and the niche. They also erased the kalima, written on the Ahmadiyya mosque. This incident marks yet another distressing episode. It highlights the ongoing persecution of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community in Pakistan. Now it is obvious that the Tehreek-e-Labbaik party has established itself as a force before which the entire state has surrendered, instead of upholding its duty to protect its citizens' basic human rights.